everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my delicious recipe for creamy tomato tortellini soup. The great thing about this recipe is that you can make it on the stovetop, in an Instant Pot, or in a slow cooker. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have turned on notifications so you don't miss any recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 package of fresh or frozen tortellini, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of half and half, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Add the diced tomatoes, celery, carrots, onion, oregano, basil, bay leaf, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chicken broth to a large pot. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. In a separate pan, prepare a roux for the soup by melting butter over medium-low heat and then sprinkling with flour. Mix in 1 cup of the soup, then add 2 more cups of soup and stir until the mixture begins to thicken. While making the roux, add the tortellini to the warm soup and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the roux back to the soup. When the soup begins to thicken, add the half and half and the Parmesan. Stir until the cheese is melted and add more salt and pepper if needed. Serve the soup topped with shredded Parmesan cheese and warm breadsticks on the side. I hope that you love this tomato tortellini soup as much as I do. It's a great meal for busy nights because it can be made so quickly. You can find the full recipe in the description as well as a link to the slow cooker and Instant Pot instructions at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure you are subscribed for more recipes, and I'll see you next time.